This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing on iPhone. So if you want to turn on Facebook professional mode but the professional mode is not available on your profile, just follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first thing you have to do is go to your App Store and search for Facebook. If you see any update available, then update your Facebook app. And if your Facebook app don't need to update, then go to your settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, tap on Facebook, offload the app and reinstall it. And then go to your Facebook profile. And if your profile is locked, you have to unlock it. To do that, tap on this three dot next to edit profile. Tap on unlock profile. Unlock your profile. Once your profile unlocked, again tap on this three dot next to edit profile. And that's it. And now here you will get the turn on professional mode option. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.